Future-proof your career. AI is here to party, not steal your job. Yo, what's up, future fam? Feeling stressed about robots taking over your job? Fear not. That's right, AI is the future, but it's not here to steal your lunch or your job. In fact, it's here to throw the ultimate work party where humans and AI become the ultimate dream team. Today, we're busting myths and getting you pumped for the awesome careers AI is unlocking. We'll cover: will AI become our robot overlords? No way. What jobs are getting a makeover? What epic new careers are popping up? How can you be the star player in this future of work? Let's dive in. AI. Sidekick, not supervillain. Imagine AI as your super smart sidekick. It can crunch numbers, analyze mountains of data, and even make complex decisions. Pretty cool, right? But guess what AI can't do? It can't replace your creativity, your problem-solving skills, or your ability to connect with people on a human level. These are the skills that will make you irreplaceable in the AI era. Jobs getting a tech upgrade. Okay, let's talk about the jobs that might be impacted by AI. These are typically jobs with repetitive tasks, like data entry or following clear instructions. But here's the good news. These jobs are evolving. AI might handle the boring stuff, freeing you up to focus on the strategy, the big picture, and using your people skills to manage those awesome robots. The rise of the AI Avengers. The future of work isn't just about robots taking over. It's about humans and AI working side by side. Think AI ethicists, data scientists who can translate between us and AI, and specialists who design the dream team dynamic between humans and AI. These are brand new careers that didn't even exist a few years ago. Level up your career game. So, how do you become the ultimate player in this future of work? Here's the cheat code. Become a lifelong learner. There are tons of online courses and resources to keep your skills sharp. Network with people in different fields. Expand your horizons and see what cool things are happening out there. Don't be afraid to develop new skills. Data analysis, project management, anything that complements AI is a win. Let's strategize. Alright, future fam, it's time to brainstorm. Drop a comment below and tell me, what are your plans to stay relevant in the AI age? Are there any specific AI-related fields that pique your interest? The Human-AI Dream Team. The future belongs to humans and AI working together as a powerful team. AI can handle the heavy lifting, freeing us to focus on creativity, innovation, and social interaction. Remember, AI is here to help us work smarter, not harder. Embrace the change, develop your unique skills, and you'll be unstoppable in the exciting world of work that awaits. Thanks for joining me on this future adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech talks.